Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Christmas tree fuse is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for ensuring your holiday decorations are both safe and spectacular, preventing potential hazards while allowing your festive lights to shine brightly throughout the season, making it a crucial element for a worry-free and dazzling Christmas display that truly captures the spirit of the holidays. Number 5. Christmas Light Fuses 125-volt 5-amp Fast Blow Glass Kit. Keep your holiday lights shining bright with these essential replacement fuses. Designed for 125-volt systems, they provide reliable protection. These fast blow glass fuses are rated at 5 amps, quickly interrupting the circuit to prevent damage from overloads or short circuits. Crafted from a sturdy glass tube with plated caps, these fuses are built to last and allow for easy visual inspection of their status. Each fuse is filled with sand to prevent glass fragmentation when blown, ensuring a safe replacement experience. They are designed to protect your circuits effectively. This kit includes 30 pieces, ensuring you have plenty on hand for replacements and to share with friends and family. Never be caught in the dark. With dimensions of 3.6 by 10 mm, these fuses are ideal for your outdoor LED string lights. Please check the size and ratings before purchasing. What we like. This option comes with a generous 30 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for replacements. Its reliable glass construction and sand-filled design make it a safe choice for protecting your circuits. If you're looking for a bulk supply with an emphasis on safety and longevity, this is a great pick. What people say. The fuse is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. It was easy to install and fixed the problem with the lights immediately. This fuse is a good value for the money and saved me from buying a whole new string of lights. Number 4. SIXQJZML F5AL5A125V Fast Blow Glass Fuses. Introducing a pack of 10 fast blow fuses, designed for quick and reliable circuit protection. These are built with high-quality, durable glass for longevity. Each fuse measures 0.78 by 0.2 inches, or 20 by 5 mm, ensuring a precise fit for your compatible devices. Please verify the size, voltage, and current before placing your order. These fuses are rated for 5 amps and 125 volts, making them suitable for a variety of applications. Always confirm these specifications match your requirements. Crafted from high-quality glass, these fuses offer durability and consistent performance. Their robust construction ensures they can withstand demanding conditions. Your purchase includes 10 glass fast-blow fuses, neatly packaged in a clear plastic box for easy storage and access. Ensure compatibility before ordering. To ensure you receive the correct product, please double-check the size, voltage, and current ratings before completing your purchase. We want to make sure they are the perfect fit for your needs. What we like. This features a standard 5A125V rating and is made from durable glass. It comes conveniently packaged in a clear plastic box for easy storage. If you need a straightforward, reliable fuse with good organization, this is the one for you. What people say. The fuse is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. It's a simple but effective solution for fixing broken Christmas tree lights. The fuse is easy to install and restores the lights to their full functionality. Number 3. SIXQJZML F3AL Fast Blow Mini Fuse 3A125V. Introducing a pack of 10 fast blow mini fuses. These are designed for durability with a high-quality glass construction. Each fuse provides fast blow protection, rated at 3 amps and 125 volts. They are ideal for various applications requiring precise current control. Measuring 0.39 by 0.14 inches, or 10 by 3.6 mm, these fuses are compact and easy to install. Their small size makes them versatile for many devices. You'll receive 10 pieces conveniently packaged in a clear plastic box. This ensures they stay organized and protected until you need them. Before placing your order, please confirm the size, voltage, and current ratings to ensure compatibility with your equipment. This guarantees you receive the exact fuses you need. What we like. This mini fuse is rated at 3A125V and boasts a compact size perfect for smaller applications. Like the previous one, it's also packaged in a clear plastic box. If you have devices requiring a lower amperage or need a fuse for a tight space, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The fuse is a direct replacement and works perfectly. It's a good value and easy to install. The fuse arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed. Number 2. BOJACK Christmas Light Fuse Kit. Don't let blown fuses dim your holiday spirit. This kit provides the essential replacements you need to keep your Christmas lights shining bright all season long. Crafted for reliability, these high-quality fuses are designed to blow quickly when needed, protecting your light strings from damage. They ensure your decorations remain safe and functional. This assortment includes 2 common fuse sizes, 3.6 by 10 mm and 5 by 20 mm. You'll have the right fit for a wide variety of Christmas light setups. With voltage ratings of 125V and amperage options from 2.5A to 8A, these fuses are suitable for many different types of holiday lighting. Find the perfect match for your specific needs. Keep your fuses organized and readily accessible with the included durable plastic storage case. This ensures you can easily find the fuse you need, when you need it. This generous pack contains 100 pieces, offering excellent value and ensuring you're well stocked for any fuse emergencies. Enjoy peace of mind throughout the holiday season. What we like. This kit offers a wide assortment of fuses, including multiple amperages and sizes, totaling 100 pieces. It comes neatly packed in a plastic storage case. If you're a DIY enthusiast or want to be prepared for any fuse emergency with a variety of options, this comprehensive kit is ideal. What people say. The fuse is a direct replacement and works perfectly. It's a good quality fuse that fits well and does its job. This fuse saved me from having to buy a whole new string of lights. Number 1. LadySwan Mini Replacement Glass Fuses. Don't let a blown fuse dim your festive spirit. With this pack of 20 replacement fuses, your holiday lights will stay bright all season long, year after year. These fuses are designed for optimal safety and performance. They provide reliable protection for your Christmas lights and mini string light sets. Measuring 3.6 by 10 mm, these fuses are the ideal size for replacing blown ones in most mini Christmas light strings. They ensure a perfect fit every time. These work with a wide range of mini light strings, including most 110V and 125V indoor and outdoor sets. You can trust them to be compatible with your lights. Built to last, their fast blow design protects against overloads and electrical faults. This prevents damage and keeps your light strings safe. Perfect for repairing light sets used on Christmas trees, wreaths, and other festive decorations. Keep your holiday displays looking their best. What we like. This option provides a pack of 20 fuses with a specific 3A rating and compatibility with both 110V and 125V. It's designed for mini Christmas light strings. If you know you need a 3A fuse for your holiday lights and want a good quantity without overbuying, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The fuse is a direct replacement and works perfectly. It's a good quality fuse that fits the intended application without any issues. The fuse arrived quickly and was exactly what was needed to fix the Christmas tree lights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.